Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Zabbix Agent and add Windows host to Zabbix monitoring. The first step when adding a host to the Zabbix server is to install the Zabbix Agent on the host system first. With that in mind, head out to the official Zabbix Agent's download page and download the Zabbix Windows Agent. Once downloaded, right-click on the zipped file and select Extract All. This unzips it into two folders, Bin and Conference folder. The Bin folder contains the Zabbix Agent executable file while the Conference folder contains the Zabbix Agent configuration file. Then manually installed and started on the system using Windows command prompt as in the following. After the service has been installed on your Windows host, open this file and manually edit the following parameters. To start the service, just type. A second method to install and automatically configure the Zabbix Agent on Windows environments is installing from the Zabbix Agent Installer MSI package specific to your system architecture. Once the Zabbix Agent MSI file has been downloaded on your system, run it and supply the required information to configure and install the agent on the target monitored host as follows. After you've finished the setup, open Windows command prompt with administrator privileges, run the services.msc command to open the Windows Services utility, and locate the Zabbix Agent service to check if the service is running and automatically started after reboot. Almost all Windows-based systems have Windows Firewall active and running, therefore Zabbix Agent port must be opened in the firewall to communicate with the Zabbix server. To open the Zabbix Agent port in the Windows Firewall, open Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Firewall, and hit on Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Next, click on Allow another app button, and a new window should open. Use the Browse button to navigate and add Zabbix Agent executable file. Then hit on Add button to add the service. Next, make sure you check and open the firewall rule on the network segment where the Zabbix server is located in your network, and hit the OK button to finish and apply the configuration. To test if the Zabbix Agent running on Windows is reachable from the Zabbix server side, use the telnet or netcat command on the Zabbix server against the Windows Agent IP port, and a connected message should appear. Once the Windows Agent has been tested from the command line and everything looks fine, go to the Zabbix server web interface and move to the Configuration tab. Click Hosts and hit on Create Host button to add the Windows monitored host. On the next screen, fill out the Windows host details such as host name, visible name, and IP address. For the Groups section, click on the Select button and click on the Template/Operating System option. Next, click on the Templates tab on the menu and click Template OS Windows by Zabbix Agent. Finally, click on the Select button. On the dashboard, check the Windows host listed. Note that the state is indicated enabled with the Zabbix icon ZBX in green color. To graph the metrics associated with the Windows host system, click on Monitoring, Hosts. Click on the Windows host and select Graphs. Finally, the Zabbix server will start graphing the system metrics shipped by the Zabbix Agent which is residing on the Windows Server host system. There are various metrics that you can monitor including network interface statistics, CPU usage and utilization, disk space usage, and memory utilization to mention a few.